In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify checkout settings, step-by-step tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find every key option and how to configure your checkout so it's clear, fast, and aligned with your store's policies. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head to Settings at the bottom of the sidebar, then choose Checkout. This is the control center for everything customers see and do during checkout. Begin with Customer Contact Preferences. Open the phone number or email section, then select what contact method customers use to check out. You can allow email, phone, or both, depending on how you plan to send order updates. If you rely on shipping notifications or recovery flows via email, keep email enabled. If your audience prefers text updates, allowing phone can reduce friction. Pick the option that best supports the experience you want. Next, review the options in this area and click through the controls to tailor the flow. Use the highlighted toggles to align with your policies, keeping a balance between collecting the details you need and keeping checkout quick. Minimize unnecessary friction, but make sure you'll have the information required to fulfill orders smoothly. Now fine-tune the form fields. In the full name section, decide how the name field should appear and whether any part is required. In company name, choose whether to hide, make optional, or require this field based on whether you sell to businesses. For address line 2, set it to optional so customers can add apartment or unit details without cluttering the form for everyone else. For shipping address phone number, choose optional or required depending on your carriers and support needs. Required numbers can help resolve delivery issues faster, but may slightly slow checkout for some customers. Move to Communication Preferences. Open Email to define how email is used for order notifications and marketing consent. Then, open SMS to control text message updates and opt-ins. Always keep local regulations and clear consent language in mind to maintain trust. If you accept tips, open tipping and enable it so customers can add a gratuity at checkout. This can be helpful for services or custom work. Set your checkout language to English or your preferred store language to ensure all system text matches your audience. Open Advanced Preferences to review additional behaviors and safeguards for checkout. Then go to Address Collection to manage how shipping and billing addresses are collected and validated. Finally, open Checkout Rules to establish any rules that govern the checkout process, keeping your policies consistent and enforceable. That's it. Your Shopify checkout